Hey, what's going on, everybody? David Bradley here, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I'm here with your Tuesday sales tip in under, how long? 2 minutes. That's right, let's do it. Today's tip is going to be quite simple. These are 3 questions that you never, ever want to ask in the greeting or at the early stages of fact finding. Like never, ever, just don't do it. Okay, you ready? 1, what pricing do you already have? Don't ask that question. No. Okay. Second thing, what's your budget? Really bad question. Like really bad question. Third question that you just want to avoid at all costs is, would you buy today if? And then insert something. If the figures are right. If this, if that. Would you buy today if? There are better ways to find out if you have a decision maker and if they are fully capable of making a financial commitment today than asking these antiquated, old school, outdated questions. These are questions that are guaranteed to put your buyer into a state of full alert and back away from you and not move toward you. The purpose of the greeting is to put the buyer at ease. None of those questions are going to do that. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For a full list of significantly better questions to ask at the greeting, the point of contact, and into the early stages of fact finding, and some free access to Cardone University, head on over to cardonesolutions.com/CardoneU-free. That's cardonesolutions.com/Cardone, the letter U, the word free. One more time for good measure, cardonesolutions.com/CardoneU-free. And be great. Nothing else pays. See you soon.